So I just used the Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner for the very first time, and I absolutely loved it. So I went and I made my microwave a complete mess, microwaved it so it got dried and crusted on, and then I just squirted this in like that and then microwaved it for a minute. And I just wanted to show you how easily everything wipes off. I mean, it just comes off so easily.
Hello, Mom.
There's no scrubbing involved. I mean, look at that. It just wipes away. So they aren't kidding when they say it's a miracle.